Hey guys, I have 11 fingers. You know that's 10, right? Count that. You want to help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it's gonna be 11, okay? Look. 1, 2, skip this 4, skip this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my god, it's 13, guys. It's 13. Oh my god, I have a magic trick, guys. You know this. You know this. You know that. See? But I have this magic trick. Look, guys. Guys, look at this. I have a magic trick. Oh my god, guys. I'll just do this. And you know this, right? Look at this. You know that? You know this. Look at this. It's like this, okay? You need to take this and your middle finger three strokes. Like this. Chick, chick, chick. And you want to and then rotate. So, it's like a magic trick, but you can do it like this. See? Like this. See? What's your favorite, guys? Bye-bye.